Okay, in this question, we're required to solve this equation 8x to the power of 4 minus 8x to the power of 2 plus 1 equals to square root of 3 over 2. So we use a substitution y equals to x squared and simplify. We get this 8y squared minus 8y plus bracket 1 minus root 3 over 2 equals to 0. So we use a quadratic formula to simplify the answer. So we get this y is equal to 0.9829 and so on, or y is equal to 0.0170 and so on. Now we give ourselves more decimal places because bear in mind later we need to square root it. So it's always safer to have more decimal places to start off with. So bear in mind we did the substitution y equals to x squared, so we have to put back x squared into the answer. So by doing a square root of the answer that we have obtained, we get x is equals to plus minus 0.991 correct to 3 significant figures, or x equals to plus minus 0.131 corrected to 3 significant figures. So next, we are required to solve this equation 8 cosine theta to the power of 4 plus 1 is equals to 8 cosine theta to the power of 2 plus cosine 30 degrees. So by rearranging it, we find that this equation is exactly the same as the equation that we have solved earlier. It's just that we just changed the value of x to cosine theta. In other words, the value of x that we have just found earlier can be substituted directly into cosine theta. So cosine theta is equals to 0.991 or 0.131. So from these two answers, we can get the basic angle, which is 7.5 degrees and 82.5 degrees respectively. So remember that we are actually taking the positive and the negative answer. Therefore, we'll have to consider all four quadrants in both cases. And the answer for theta, when cosine theta is equals to plus minus 0.991, will be these four angles: 7.5 degrees, 352.5 degrees, 172.5 degrees, and finally 187.5 degrees. When the answer is cosine theta equals to 0.131, the value of theta will be these four angles here: 82.5 degrees, 277.5 degrees, 262.5 degrees, and 97.5 degrees, which gives us a total of 8 answers altogether. Thank you.